What is going on? It's Anil, and today I'm at the Batchford Arboretum in the Cotswold because I'm on a mission. I'm on a mission to prove to you guys that you can take great cinematic video with just an old iPhone like this, which is an iPhone 7. You don't always need to carry an expensive iPhone 12 with you to take great video, and I'm going to prove it today. We're going to get some great cinematic shots, and it's pink as well, which is nice. Let's get to it. Right guys, so first establishing shot, we're going to do a jib shot, and I'm going to use this beautiful plant here as my foreground. So what you need to make sure is that you tap, lock and hold your exposure and focus. So get onto the screen, tap and hold, then get as close to our foreground as possible. Make sure we're in slow motion mode, hit record. Right guys, look at this. Next shot is going to be like a little slide shot from this thing here. One thing that I have noticed, right, if you're going to do this, make sure you have a case, because this is slipping all over the place and I'm about to drop it in there. So, whew, let's do it. There we go. Right guys, another great shot. If the sun's out and you've got some low hanging leaves, is to have a light revealing shot. Okay, so let's go and get to that. Right guys, we've taken some absolutely brilliant shots with this old iPhone. I'm so surprised. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to try a pull down shot. Look at this old tree. We're going to try and pull down, make it cinematic. Let's do it. Right guys, for this next shot, we're going to do a low push shot. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spin the camera around so this lens is as close to the ground as possible. Let's do it. Guys, wow, that was an epic photo shoot using the iPhone 7. Man, we got some great shots. We're going to pull all that together, slap in some music, some color grade, a few sound effects, and this is the result. Right, we're gonna have to wrap up now because it is raining and can't get any more shots. So guys, you know what? If you like the content today, please hit the like button. Also, subscribe, leave a comment below, and you know what? Check out these other videos if you wanna learn more. And I'll see you in the next one.